Okay, so I put the bicep in place, and I'm lining up the shoulder bell again, making sure that that flat spot is kind of lining up with the top of the bicep. Now this is all going to kind of depend on the length of your arm as well, but I really want to just make sure I get some space between the shoulder bell and where the armor is going to be, which is going to stop pretty much on this seam edge right here. So I want to make sure that this strap is going to be centered on the shoulder bell. So I'm going to mark where it should go with the pencil here. Okay. And again, make sure it's clean in here. So I kind of start in the center and then work out so you get all the air bubbles out of the Velcro, and you know you're completely pressing it. Okay, so that's pretty much in the center of the shoulder bell, and that's where it should live when you line the Velcro up. And you still end up with the gap there at the top, and then that beats down on the shoulder bell. So I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then move on to the forearms.